It's the big day. I am getting ready to take the car up to the body shop to have the front end painted. Got myself a new trailer in the background there, which is not something you want to be forking out for just before Christmas, which was annoying. I've put stuff like the bonnet latch back in, connected up some of the wiring. I'm going to go try and find a good battery and then actually start the thing, which will be the first time I've started it since I've owned it. I have made a bit of a boo-boo, and that is I've forgotten to buy any coolant, so I might have to put fresh water in it for the moment, and then while I'm on my travels pick some coolant up on the way and put that in the header tank. It's alive. I had a bit of a worry because I couldn't find why it wasn't starting. I think it was a combination of a crap battery and not having the alarm and immobiliser turned off. So that's good because the alarm immobiliser and all of the central locking and that all works, so that's pretty good. I've also found a bit of coolant. It's pink coolant rather than blue, but it's better than nothing. So I'll run it up, put a bit more in, and then hopefully load up and on my way.